Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram with Meta verified on iPhone. I will just tap on my Instagram account and we will move in the right bottom corner option is the profile icon, and now we will move in the top right corner of three lines, and here is the setting and activity, and you will be just find in for professionals. The second option is there Meta verified. So simply right now I will just not subscribe, but I want to just subscribe it. So here if you want to continue with this, so join the millions of Meta verified profiles. So in this benefits you will get a verified badge, increase account protection, enhance support, and upgrade profile features. So I want to just tap on it. This may takes a few time, and I will be just tap on it. This one, sign up for this profile. You will just choose it of your account, and right now here you will see in 119 rupees per month I will be just purchase this plan, and after you will be just automatically be charged at 1750 rupees per month. Price may be include taxes when applicable, and you will be just get with your subscription a verified badge, increase account protection, enhanced support, upgraded profile features, unique stickers. So I want to just tap to continue it, and let's see how was the procedures. So Meta Verified is so cool, and it will be just processing your subscription. So after here you will be just tap on it to confirm, and it will be just charged by your Apple account. And so hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.